Hello, hello, hello. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Teachable Tuesday. So tonight I want to talk to you about face oil. I think that there is a really wide, common misconception that you don't need to use face oil. If you have oily skin, you should be using face oil. If you have dry skin, you should be using a face oil. If you have mature, aging skin, you should be using a face oil. And a lot of people do not realize this. So I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of using a face oil and what you should and should not be using, because not all face oils are made the same. When you get here, say hello. Say hello when you get here. Don't make me party by myself. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into this. Hi, Jody. Okay, so when you get here, say hello. Share some love. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started because it's Tuesday night and I'm sure you all are busy. All right, so why should you be using a face oil? There are a couple of reasons, and we'll talk about each type of skin. So if you have dry skin, obviously this makes a little bit more sense, right? If you have dry skin and you put a face oil on, it's gonna be moisturizing, it's gonna kind of soak into your skin, and it's going to kind of revitalize and give you bright, hydrated, fresh looking skin. That makes sense. If you have mature, aging skin, a face oil, if you are using a face oil that has anti-aging properties, anti-inflammatory properties, hi mom, if you're using a face oil that has a good essential oil in it, that can really bring back a youthful look. If you have oily skin, a lot of people think that if you have oily skin, you should not use a face oil. That is 100% inaccurate. A lot of times people have oily skin is because your face is overproducing oil. The reason that your face is overproducing oil is because for whatever reason your skin has an imbalance and it is thinking that it needs to produce this oil. There's not enough oil and it needs to produce it. So it keeps producing oil and then you're breaking out, your pores are getting clogged and you're having issues with acne or just looking like, your face is, you could boil an egg with all the grease on your face. So what you should do is actually, if you have oily skin, using a face oil can actually help put that balance back into your skin. So you use this face oil and, sorry, I'm getting notifications and it's distracting, but you use this face oil, and so what that tells your skin is, okay, we have this oil and I don't need to keep producing all of this oil and clogging your skin. So now that we're all on the same page that face oil is for everybody, not all face oil is the same. So I know I have heard people say that they use coconut oil on their face. Please do not do this. Do not use coconut oil on your face. If any of you have used coconut oil, go ahead and please just admit it. I have done this myself. I know tons of people who have done it, but please do not do that. Coconut oil is going to soak into your skin, yes. But what it's going to do is it's going to clog your pores. Coconut oil is amazing for so many things, not for your face, okay? Please do not use coconut oil on your face. Also, there are a lot of lotions that have oils in them, but they're not made for your face, you guys. All face oils are not made the same. So please, 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 if you learn anything tonight, listen to me and make sure that you are using an oil that is not going to clog your pores and that is going to be good for your skin. So a couple of things. Obviously, I have some products that I would love to share with you because I'm really passionate about it. I just recently learned this myself, and I can tell you in the month that I have been very adamant about having a good skincare regimen, my skin has changed completely. I mean, it is brighter, it is firmer. Some of these lines in my forehead are starting to go away. My skin is clearing up, and I think a lot of it is because of now adding an oil into my skincare regimen. So the first one that I want to talk about is the most amazing thing I have ever experienced in my life. So this is called One Drop Wonder. And what it is it is a, and I know I'm probably gonna say this wrong, so I apologize. Pomifera oil, if I'm saying that wrong, somebody like correct me. But this is like the most coveted oil for hair, skin, and nails right now. It is actually like extracted from an orange seed, and so, or from an orange plant. And so this oil is amazing. It has antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties, antioxidants. So what that does is it repairs damaged and aged skin, and it also can soften and moisten your cuticles. It is good for your hair. It can help repair your hair, help with hair growth, and it is really, really good if you are somebody who has oily, dry, acne prone, damaged, aging skin. This literally is for everyone and anyone. The only ingredient in this is the Pomifera oil. So this can be used once a day, twice a day. It can be used on your hands. It can be used, I mean, literally all over your body, but I put it on my face every day, twice a day. If you have extremely dry skin, this will help, but there is also another product that possibly would be better for you, and this is called, I don't know if you can see it, it is called Due Date, and so in here is palmarosa and sunflower oil. And so palmarosa oil is extremely hydrating, and it also helps with inflammation, so it is anti-inflammatory as well. And then the sunflower oil is so good for your skin. You'll find it in a lot of you know, good quality skincare products, and the reason is it's moisturizing. It also is high in vitamin E, so that's good for antioxidant properties. It helps fight acne. It reduces the signs of aging. It's so good for dry skin because of how moisturizing it is. And it also can help soothe and heal your skin because it also does have those anti-inflammatory properties. So yeah, I would love to talk to you guys more about your particular skin needs and your skin type and what oil might be best for you. But definitely, if you are having issues with your skin, no matter what they are, you're not happy with the way that your skin looks, I would highly recommend adding a skin oil to your skincare regimen. It has been a game changer for me. I never in my life thought that I would put oil on my skin. I thought if I put a face oil on my skin, I'm gonna break out, my makeup's not gonna stay on my face. None of that is true. If you are using a good quality face oil that is made for your face and made for your skin type, you are going to notice an amazing difference in how your skin looks and feels. So that is my Teachable Tuesday for all of you. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. I would be happy to talk to you about your skincare needs and any questions that you have. If you're interested in trying any of these, I do have samples of actually both of these oils. So if you're not sure about adding an oil into your skincare regimen, but you would like to try it, I do have samples of both of these, and I would be happy to send some your way. So if you are interested in trying it and you don't want to go ahead and make a purchase because you're not sure that what I'm saying is true, send me a message and I'd be happy to send you some samples and let you give it a try. So with that, I am going to sign off. I'm starving and I need to finish my dinner. So have an amazing week, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I love you all.